Most women don't leave because you are not good enough. They leave because they already figured you out. And the second a woman fully figures you out, the emotional tension dies. That's why some man can text perfectly, treat her perfectly, stay loyal, stay consistent, and still watch her slowly lose interest right in front of them. Not because she's evil, not because women are broken, but because attraction is emotional, not logical. And the scary part? Most men accidentally kill attraction by trying to be emotionally safe. Over the last few years, I started noticing the same pattern over and over again. The men women obsess over are almost never the men doing the most. They are the men triggering very specific psychological reactions without even realizing it. And once you understand these 5 triggers, female attachment starts making terrifying amounts of sense. Trigger 1. The Intermittent Reinforcement Protocol. This is the exact mechanism that makes gambling addictive. When rewards become predictable, dopamine drops. But when rewards are uncertain, dopamine spikes even harder. That's why the guy who texts her first every single morning emotionally becomes emotionally invisible. She already knows what's coming. There's no tension left. But the man whose attention feels earned instead of guaranteed, her brain stays emotionally alert around him. And no, this is not about playing games. It's about having a life, a purpose, and emotional focus outside of her. The moment your attention stops feeling automatic, your value starts rising. Trigger 2. Emotional sovereignty. This is where most men lose attraction without realizing it. You thought emotional openness automatically makes you mature. It doesn't. The second your emotional stability depends on her validation, she feels the pressure instantly. She stops experiencing you as a grounded man and starts experiencing you as a responsibility. That changes everything. Emotional self control is attractive because it creates safety without dependency. A woman wants to feel your emotions, not carry them for you. There's a difference. Trigger 3. The Curiosity Gap. Most men destroy attraction by over explaining themselves. You tell her every thought, every plan, every emotion, every insecurity within the first few weeks. And slowly the mystery disappears, but attraction grows in emotional space. When she can't fully predict you, her brain naturally stays engaged trying to understand you deeper. That's why the men women obsess over usually feel layered. There is always something she still hasn't figured out yet. The moment you become fully solved, the emotional chase disappears. Trigger 4. The Vulnerability Collapse. This is the trap that destroys most high value men. You thought vulnerability creates intimacy. Sometimes it does, but only after attraction already exists. If you open up too deeply too early, before she emotionally respects your strength, your vulnerability doesn't feel deep, it feels unstable. That's why some men get friend zoned immediately after becoming emotionally available too fast. She needed to experience your grounded masculine frame first. Strength creates attraction. Vulnerability deepens it later. Reverse the order and attraction collapses. Trigger 5. Reward Prediction Error. This is the neuroscience behind obsession. The brain becomes addicted to emotional unpredictability. If she always knows exactly how you will react, exactly how you will text, exactly how you will validate her, her nervous system stops paying attention. But when your behavior has emotional range, calm one moment, challenging the next, warm one day, distant the next, her brain stays engaged because it can't automate you. Human beings become obsessed with the things they can't fully predict. And these are the triggers that can make any woman obsessed with you. But lastly, I want to tell you the brutal truth nobody wants you to hear. Attraction is not built by giving more. It's built by becoming emotionally valuable enough that your presence stops feeling guaranteed. The men women become addicted to are usually the men who are emotionally centered, internally fulfilled, and completely okay with losing people who don't align with them. That energy changes everything because the moment she feels you don't need her to complete you, she starts fearing losing access to you instead. I am dating ASAP. Class dismissed.